Entry-level jobs, once the stepping stones for freshers, are vanishing. AI isn't just automating tasks, it's creating a fresher's paradox, leaving graduates without a rung on the career ladder. So, you know how everyone's talking about Copilot and ChatGPT? It's wild, but senior engineers are saying these AI tools are making them like 3, even 5 times more productive. Seriously. Imagine knocking out boilerplate code or debugging gnarly issues in a fraction of the time. It means companies potentially need fewer people to get the same amount of work done. And unfortunately, that often puts the squeeze on entry-level folks trying to get their foot in the door. It's a real shift, and it's happening right now. It's a classic catch-22, right? Companies are screaming for engineers who can wield TensorFlow or PyTorch like a wizard, building out those complex AI models. But if you're fresh out of school, or even just looking to pivot, finding that first gig to get that experience feels impossible, because everyone wants someone who already has it. It's like, how am I supposed to get good at fine-tuning Hugging Face transformers if no one will let me touch them? Hey everyone, it's pretty common now to see fresh grads leaning on ChatGPT or Claude to whip up code snippets. It's super fast, right? You get a quick answer for that React component or a Python script. But are they really grasping why that use effect hook behaves the way it does? Or why a particular data structure is more efficient? It feels like we're losing that deep dive into the why behind the what. Remember when you'd spend hours with a senior dev, poring over code line by line, catching those sneaky bugs before they hit production? Or those legendary post-mortem sessions after a major incident, dissecting what went wrong and truly learning from it? Now, AI spits out solutions instantly, whether it's a quick fix in Python or a new React component, but without the messy, crucial process of understanding why something works or why it failed in the first place. Remember when Stack Overflow first burst onto the scene? Suddenly, you didn't have to be a seasoned guru to fix a weird not-technical expert. Juniors could find answers and contribute, dissemble the linked process of a relay. Remember when you didn't have to be a seasoned guru to fix a weird spirit. Juniors could find answers and contribute, but without the deep dives leaving. Remember when you didn't have to be a modify that fix a weird expert. Remember when you didn't have to be a whole new entry-level path into development. Then came smarter IDEs like VS Code with its incredible autocomplete and refactoring. It was like everyone instantly leveled up, becoming more efficient and less prone to those silly syntax errors. But now, AI is hoovering up those exact repetitive tasks juniors used to cut their teeth on, like writing basic CRUD operations or debugging simple logic errors, making that initial learning climb significantly steeper for aspiring devs. Seriously, I've been thinking about this a lot lately. If every company out there is demanding 3+ years of experience for even entry-level roles, where are all the junior devs supposed to get that experience? We're effectively creating a massive gap in the talent pipeline, meaning in 5-10 years, when we desperately need those seasoned engineers who understand complex systems built with things like Kubernetes or Rust, they just won't exist. It's like companies are starving themselves of future talent, right? Build real end-to-end projects, contribute to open source, learn system design, become AI orchestrators who break down problems and evaluate output. Remember when we thought AI would just do stuff? Turns out it needs a lot of hand-holding, especially early on. That's why we're seeing these totally new gigs pop up, like AI trainers making sure models like ChatGPT understand our nuances, or prompt engineers crafting the perfect queries for tools like Midjourney. It's not just about coding anymore, it's about guiding and refining. And frankly, companies are going to figure out they need to train up their own teams, maybe even through some cool apprenticeship programs, because the demand for these specialized skills is just exploding. Don't get left behind in this AI-driven career revolution. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to understand